Hello, assalamualaikum guys, and welcome to another video. So this video is about Pixel 3 XL, so with a big notch, and it looks quite ugly as you can see right now, but we all are thinking why we get this big ugly notch. You can see that in the unboxing and you can see all the accessories, but I'm here to tell you what I have just seen. Look at this. A zoomed picture of the front of the Pixel 3 XL. Still, there are two front-facing cameras, not one, two front-facing camera, and they might be trying to do something like iPhone X, like face detection stuff or something related to that. And they have also inserted a big front speaker as well, so we're kind of getting a boom sound or a double front-facing speakers. But the most interesting thing is we are getting two front-facing cameras. That means an extremely nice front-facing portrait photos, a great selfie phone for the future, and the back camera will be definitely better than Pixel 2 XL, which is still an excellent phone camera and stands out as one of the top in the market right now. But the two front-facing cameras can be one of the finest front-facing cameras, coupled with their advanced software to modify photos. This could mean the best phone cameras of 2018. So that's why they are having a big ugly notch, and I think people will be happy to give up that bad feeling for the ugly front facing notch and the weird thing in their screen for an excellent photo camera that can yield one of the finest photos out in the market. So that's all for this video, guys, and I hope Google makes the best camera phone for this year as well. Hopes for the best. So that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it, and until the very next video, please take care. Allah Hafiz.